Hello, this is our breakfast. So the first thing I'm going to do is put on the rice to cook. I roast it a little bit with oil first, add the water. And now let's get the veggies ready for the omelet. The rice is on, the omelet's cooking, and now let's peel these plantains to make green plantain chips. And last but not least, we cut up all the okra and fry it. And this is our breakfast. We have okra here, turned out perfect, and my rice also turned out nice and not at all mushy. Our omelette and fried plantain chips. And that's it, guys. If you like my content, then follow.